Welcome to this CADline Dynamic Maps video where we'll be looking at the Control Layers tool within MapThat. The Control Layers tool is available from the left-hand pane. Once open, it will list all the current map layers, in this example, Liverpool boundary. Firstly, we'll choose the Edit Style button, which will allow us to change the stroke style for the boundary line. In this example, we'll change it to red and size 10. Pressing the Save and Apply button will activate the change to the layer. Let's now add another map layer, this time the Liverpool school points. Once added to the map, let's return to the Control Layers tool and select the Liverpool schools from the list. This time we can edit the point style by choosing an alternate point symbol, for example a blue dot. Again, pressing the Save button will apply the changes. Let's now add another layer. Firstly, we'll untick the schools from the list, and then from the boundaries tree we'll add the ward polygons. Notice they appear in the map as green. Using the Control Layers tool, we can change the ward's fill colour to be a different colour. Let's choose Edit Style, Fill Colour and choose blue. Once applied, the changes take effect. Ticking and unticking the modified style will allow us to apply and to deactivate the change. Next, for the wards, we'll use the Edit Layer Visibility option, changing the zoom off value from 22 to a lower value such as 14. Ensure we apply the modified style. And this time, if we zoom into the map, for example to zoom level 15, notice how the wards will automatically disappear. Pressing the globe button will allow a user to then zoom back out to the extents of that layer. Very useful tool if you get lost. There is also a copyright option, which when pressed will reveal metadata and external information about that layer. At the bottom, we can save our session, choosing yes to the message and then giving the session a name and maybe a description so you can remember who made the session. Once saved, it's added to the session manager. Let's now restart MapThat. Choose the Control Layers tool again, and then from the bottom let's load our session, choosing it from the list and pressing the Open button. Notice how our pre-saved map layers are added back to the map and their style changes are reapplied accordingly. Finally, we'll use the Control Layers tool to reorder layers in our map. Firstly, let's turn on the school catchments from the education tree. Notice how they're now above the ward boundaries. Within Control Layers, we can use the arrows from the right hand side to move layers up and down in order to get the layers in our correct order.